Hi everybody. Just wanted to quickly show you something I found on eBay. Some of you may use these power distribution boards where you can have power going in, a 12-volt power supply for example going in there, and then it's distributed to these twin connections so you can power lights on your layout, amongst other things. I can't remember how much these cost now, but they're relatively simple to make. What I have found is an alternative to this, and it's this. I bought the components to make 5 of these power distribution systems. These are simple, just on-off switches. These are just sticky pads, so you can put them through here and stick them on the underside of your board or on the side, wherever. So you got this, you got 3 of those, you got 5 toggle switches, plus these surface mounted power connections. So you have this power going in, which is then distributed to these via the circuit board that's etched into it underneath. Now I've already made one of these, which is here. I've actually made 2, and they're quite good for switching lights on and off. Are connected to these points, or wherever you've got connected. I've got one, the other one I've made here, I just connected a simple LED up to it, and I've got a bench power supply going into this at 3 volts. There's no resistors supplied with this, but I suppose you can put one in line quite easily. When you're wiring this up, you can put surface mounted resistors in line. I'll just use simple resistors here. So if I wanted 12 volt group, for example, I just solder a resistor onto here, screw it into this point, and then I can use 12 volts. But as it stands now, I'm only putting 3 volts into this, and you can see, switching them on and off. Now I haven't checked to see whether or not they do more than just 5 points. You can get them ready-made, should you wish. But if you're good at soldering, not that difficult to put all these bits together. Not difficult at all if you're good at soldering, that is. You need a fine tip to get in there, to get all these points. But yeah, I think, off the top of my head, I think the £5, all the components, which you'll probably get cheaper anyway if you can get a board like this. And ready-made, I think there's 7. So I think it's about £1 to £2 more to have it ready-made. That's if you want to control the lights, that is, independent of each other. Instead of all the ports being live, it'll be dependent on the switch, as opposed to this, where all those ports are live, and if you had several lights connected to it, they'd all be live, they'd all be on until you cut the power to here, whereas this one, you can control them individually. Yeah, so I just wanted to quickly show you this. They're okay. They're okay. I mean, I'll use them on my layout for controlling lights and whatever. What I am looking at is installing a momentary on-off, on, off, on, to control points on the layout. So I might do that. I might get some. Well, I've got some on, off, on switches. Momentary on, momentary off, whatever. So I may do that, replace these switches with momentary on switches, and see. With regard to my layout, I'm still designing my control board, testing various wiring so I can control each of the points from a simple circuit board. The board is relatively simple. I've got some distribution blocks I want to use. What I have done, completed, is the dropper wires on the layout. I haven't put the bus wire in yet. I'm going to do that when I put the wiring in for the points. So that's it. I'm not too sure when you'll see another video. I'm hoping to get back into the shed and install the control board in the near future. But that's it for now. Thanks very much.